Hello, my name is Joseph Shao. I am a programmer here at Cornerstone Software Services. In this video, I will be introducing you to Custodias and walking you through the process of uploading an invoice for your consultant. If you have any questions that cannot be answered to your satisfaction after watching this video, please email me at the address shown in the video description section below. Once you log into Custodias, you will be brought to the dashboard. To the left, you will see a menu bar. Click on the downward arrows to explode it out and reveal all the pages available to you. To upload an invoice, go to the Upload page. Using the document type drop-down list, select Invoice. Next, you can select one or more files to upload. There are two ways to use the file upload area. One, you can click the Select File button, browse the document or documents you wish to upload, click Open, and then Upload. Or two, you can drag and drop files from the File Explorer into the file upload area and then click Upload. A couple of caveats with this method. While you may see the word Move under your mouse when dragging and dropping, please know that this will not actually perform a move on your file. It will still remain in its current location on your local device. Also, you must drop the file in the green highlighted space that says Drop Files Here to upload. Dropping it elsewhere in the control will not work. If you should select a file that you did not intend to upload, you can click Clear down in the bottom right of the file upload area, or you can click the small X in the top right corner of each individual file record in the file upload area. Once you have successfully uploaded a file, it will show in the Recent Uploads grid. This concludes our training on Custodias. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you have any questions that cannot be answered to your satisfaction after watching this video, please email me at the address shown in the video description section below. Thank you and have a great day.